Love yourself first. Affirmations for healing a broken heart. I am worthy of love, including my own. I love and accept myself just as I am. I am open to healing and will be gentle with myself. I will be kind to myself and practice self-care. I can create a life that I love and am proud of. I am worthy of love and I love myself deeply. I forgive myself and practice self-compassion. I am strong and resilient. I choose to take care of myself and prioritize my needs. I am learning to trust myself and my instincts. I am worthy of love and respect. I am strong and capable of healing. I am worthy of taking time for myself and tending to my needs. I trust myself to make healthy decisions about my relationships. I am open to loving myself and others fully. I am worthy of unconditional love, including my own. I recognize my own beauty and strength. I am capable of healing and growth. I will take care of myself first and foremost. I am surrounded by unconditional love and support. I am worthy of unconditional love and respect. I am capable of loving myself fully. I am allowed to make mistakes and learn from them. I am strong enough to move on and find happiness in myself. I am beautiful and magnificent in my own right. I accept and appreciate my uniqueness. I value and nurture my own heart. I am worthy of my own love and respect. I trust my inner voice and allow myself to be guided by it. I forgive myself for mistakes and learn from them. I am capable of healing my broken heart. I choose to love and accept myself, flaws and all. I am worthy of finding joy and happiness in my life. I trust myself with my thoughts and feelings and will nurture my own needs. I am worthy of love and acceptance and I will keep showing up for myself. I am strong enough to endure this pain and will build resilience to heal my heart. I am worthy of love and I will learn to love myself first. I am loved and supported, and I will take the time to heal my broken heart. I am worthy of love and I deserve to love myself first. I am strong and capable of healing my broken heart. I am worthy of love and I deserve to love myself first. I am strong and capable of healing my broken heart. I am strong and capable of healing my broken heart. I am strong and capable of healing my broken heart. I am strong and capable of healing my broken heart. I am strong and capable of healing my broken heart. I am strong and capable of healing my broken heart. I am strong and capable of healing my broken heart. I am strong and capable of healing my broken heart. I am strong and capable of healing my broken heart. I am strong and capable of healing my broken heart. I am strong and capable of healing my broken heart. I am strong and capable of healing my broken heart. I am strong and capable of healing my broken heart. I am strong and capable of healing my broken heart. I am strong and capable of healing my broken heart. I am strong and capable of healing my broken heart. I am strong and capable of healing my broken heart. I am strong and capable of healing my broken heart. I am strong and capable of healing my broken heart. I am strong and capable of healing my broken heart. I am strong and capable of healing my bro I will nurture and honor my feelings, no matter how I feel. I am worthy of finding love and giving love. I am grateful for all the experiences that have made me into the person I am today. I am worthy of unconditional love and acceptance. I am strong and resilient in the face of adversity. I am learning to trust myself and my decisions. I will no longer settle for anything less than I deserve. I am learning to love and appreciate myself more every day. Thank you for watching our Daily Affirmations playlist. We hope these affirmations have brought positivity and inspiration into your life. If you enjoyed this content and want to receive daily doses of affirmation and positivity, be sure to subscribe to our channel. Stay positive and believe in yourself.